Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 7.6 question number 9. Jaidev takes 2 and 1 by 5 minutes to walk across the school ground. Rahul takes 7 by 4 minutes to do the same. Who takes less time and by what fraction? Right, we'll solve this problem. That is Jaidev takes 2 and 1 by 5 minutes. Jaidev takes 2 whole 1 by 5 minutes. That is how much? That is, you have to multiply 2 with 5, 5 to the 10 plus 1, 11 by 5 minutes. 11 by 5 minutes. Rahul takes 7 by 4 minutes. 7 by 4 minutes. Now, first of all, you have to find which fraction is greater. One is 11 by 5. One is 11 by 5 minutes. And another is 7 by 4 minutes. 7 by 4 minutes. First of all, you have to find the LCM of 5 and 4. Find the LCM of 5 and 4. This is 5. This is 4. It will divide by 1 only. That is 5. 4. Therefore, LCM is 20. LCM is equal to 20. Right? Now, LCM is 20. That means you have to multiply this number. That is 11 by 5. 5 should be multiplied by 4 to get 20. 4. That means you have to multiply 11 with 4 also. Right? That means you are getting this is multiplied by 4. That is 5 4 is 20 and 4 11 is 44. Here in this case also 7 by 4, that is 7 by 4. You have to multiply 4 with 5 to get 20 and multiply 7 also with 5. That is 5 7 is 35 and 5 4 is 20. Now you see here, that is 44 by 20 is greater than 35 by 20. 44 by 20 is greater than 35 by 20. Greater than 35 by 20. That means you can say that 11 by 5 is greater 11 by 5 is greater than 7 by 4. Right? The question, who takes less time and by what fraction? Right? Less time. 11 5 by 5 is greater. Therefore, Rahul takes less time. Therefore, the answer is, who takes less time? Rahul takes less time. And by what fraction? I have to subtract this one. That is 11 by 5 minus 7 by 4. This is 4. What is the LCM? LCM is 5 4 is 20. If we divide 20 by 5, 4, 11 into 4, that is 11 into 4 minus, you divide 20 by 4, that is 5, 7 into 5. Right? Therefore, we are getting 4 11 is 44. 44 minus 35 by 20. This is 2 by 20. This is 20. Let us write once again. This is 20, 44 minus 35 by 20, that is equal to 9 by 20. 9 by 20. Okay. Now the question is, Jaydev takes 2 and 1 by 5 minutes to walk across. So Jaydev takes 2 and 1 by 5 minutes to 11 by 5 minutes, and Rahul takes 7 by 4 minutes. First of all, you have to find which fraction is greater, right? This is 1 by 11 by 5 and this is 7 by 4. We take the LCM of 5 and 4, that is 20. And we are getting 11 by 5. You have to make the denominator same, that is 44 by 20 and 35 by 20. 44 by 20 is greater than 35 by 20. That means 11 by 5 is greater than 7 by 4. That means Rahul, who takes less time? Rahul takes less time because it is 7 by 4 minutes, right? Now by what fraction? That means you have to subtract it, that is 11 by 5 minus 7 by 4, right? The LCM is 20. 11 into 4 minus 7 into 5, that is 44, minus 35, that is 9 by 20. By what fraction? 9 by 20th. This is the solution of question number 9.